Hello, welcome to Winergy's factory peak shipping season. Right now, it's all systems go with orders flying out the door. From domestic clients to international customers, we are powering industries worldwide. Let's head inside and see what's happening. So this is our large capacity energy storage container, and it is great for the large projects such as the camshaft factories. Perfect for heavy industries balancing peak loads or integrating renewable energy. We also have nearly 100 units of the energy storage cabinets in production right now, which includes the domestic orders as well as the international shipments. So the international shipments are going to Asia and Europe. As a lot of you may have known, the 258 ESA cabinet is our best seller. So just in today, we already have 20 units of them waiting to be shipped. Each unit is designed for high energy efficiency, seamless integration, as well as the smart management, making it ideal for both industrial automation and the renewable energy projects. Our team is working hard to ensure everything runs smoothly. Quality testing and inspections are in full swing, so every shipment is in top shape. Look at that, our trucks are ready to roll. Well, that's it for today. It's always exciting to show you guys how we are making an impact through innovation and hard work. Thanks for joining us, and please like and subscribe to follow us for more behind-the-scenes updates and stories. I'll see you next time.